Did you know that you can replace sugar and greasy foods with healthier options that taste just as good, if not better? In this video, you'll discover 10 powerful food swaps that can transform your diet, boost your energy, and improve your health. And stick around because at the end, I'll share a bonus tip and an incredible solution that'll make eating healthy easier than ever. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right in. Breaking free from unhealthy eating habits can feel like an endless struggle. Sugar and greasy snacks keep you trapped in a cycle that drains your energy, clouds your mind, and harms your health. But there's good news. Small swaps can make a massive difference. By choosing natural, nutrient-packed foods, you can break the cycle, feel better, and even enjoy your meals more. Ready to take back control? Let's dive into the top 10 healthy foods to replace sugar and greasy snacks. 1. Raw honey and maple syrup. First on our list, raw honey and pure maple syrup. These natural sweeteners are perfect substitutes for refined sugar in your teas, desserts, or breakfasts. They're rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals while delivering that sweetness you crave, without the processed junk. 2. Dried fruits. Craving something sweet? Swap out candy for dried fruits like dates, apricots, and raisins. They're nature's candy, loaded with fiber, natural sugars, and nutrients to keep you satisfied while avoiding sugar crashes. 3. Nuts and seeds. Greasy chips? No, thank you. Reach for almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds instead. These nutrient-dense snacks are packed with healthy fats, protein, and that perfect crunchy texture, without the guilt or empty calories. 4. Avocado. Replace heavy cream, butter, or mayonnaise with avocado. This creamy superfood is loaded with healthy fats, vitamins, and fiber, making it perfect for sandwiches, smoothies, or even desserts like chocolate mousse. 5. Sweet potatoes. Instead of starchy, empty carbs like white bread or fries, choose sweet potatoes. They're naturally sweet, loaded with vitamins, and have a lower glycemic index, which helps you maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. 6. Dark chocolate lovers. Don't worry, we've got you. Ditch the sugary milk chocolate and go for dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao. It's rich in antioxidants, lower in sugar, and offers that deep, satisfying flavor. 7. Greek yogurt. Replace sugary desserts with plain Greek yogurt. It's packed with protein and probiotics for gut health. Add berries, a drizzle of honey, or cinnamon for a snack that feels indulgent but is completely healthy. 8. Herbal teas. Swap sugary sodas and artificial drinks for herbal teas. They're refreshing, low-calorie, and loaded with natural benefits, whether you need to relax with chamomile or get energized with peppermint. 9. Fresh fruits. Fresh fruits like apples, bananas, and berries are the ultimate sugar replacements. They're naturally sweet, full of fiber, and provide essential vitamins to keep you healthy and full of energy. 10. Extra virgin olive oil. For cooking or salads, ditch the processed oils and go for extra virgin olive oil. It's packed with heart-healthy fats and antioxidants, making it the perfect upgrade for your meals. And now, here's a bonus tip to take your healthy eating to the next level. Use spices like cinnamon and vanilla to flavor your dishes naturally. They add a burst of aroma and sweetness without sugar or extra calories. But if you're serious about transforming your diet today, you need a plan. That's why I highly recommend 500 Keto Diet Recipes. Imagine having access to 500 mouth-watering, easy-to-make ketogenic recipes with full-color photos that'll keep you inspired every single day. Whether you want to lose weight, control blood sugar, or boost your energy, this guide has you covered. The best part? It's an instant download to your smartphone, tablet, or PC, so you can get started right now. Plus, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee. So there's absolutely no risk. Don't wait to embrace a healthier lifestyle. Click the link in the description below and take the first step toward a better you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who needs these tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.